How to fix Riot Client no internet connection found error. So first you want to right click on your adapter here and then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. And from here you want to click on Change Adapter Options. And then this should open up a window with all the network connections adapters available. Now you want to select your main adapter, in this case this one for me, and then open up the properties and go to the IPv4, which is this one. Double click on it and then switch from obtain DNS automatically to use specific DNS, and then you can use the Google DNS, which is 8.8.8 for the preferred, and for the alternate it's 8.8.4.4, and then press OK. Press OK again. And the next thing you can do is to temporarily disable your firewall by going to the settings page and then search for firewall and then click on firewall and network protection and temporarily go through these domains one by one and disable them like this, and go back and go through them and disable them one by one temporarily to test if that solves the issue. And then you can open up the Riot Client as admin, right click on it and run as admin to see if that solves the problem. And the last thing you can do is to manually restart your router or modem, and then open up the start menu and search for reset network or network reset like this, and click on the first one and then click on reset now, and this should reset your network and restart your system as well. And after the restart, when you open up the Riot Client, that should fix the connection issue, the internet not found. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.